Hello students, and welcome to the second semester of Algebra 1A. I just want to point out a couple of things that you're going to see when you come into this course. The first thing you want to be checking on the course homepage is always check the announcements. I will update those periodically. The second thing you want to do is take a look at what's written here in maroon. That's going to change every week, and it will just be a small reminder of what you need to be working on that week. Over here on the left hand side, if you notice, every week I have put in the dates of the week. So our first week runs from Tuesday till Friday. After that, every week is considered to start on Saturday and end on Friday. So I'm going to drop down the tab for the first week here of class, and you'll see that you have lesson 1A and 1B. One thing I want you to notice, I'm going to open 1A now, is you want to take note at the top of a lesson whether or not it is computer graded, like lesson 1A, or if it's like lesson 1B, in which it says Google Documents at the top of the lesson. So you want to take note of that. One of the other things I would like you to notice on the page is you're always going to find a printable version of the notes on the page at the bottom. There'll be a link to that. So if you see that I'm scrolling down to the bottom of the lesson, it says click here for printable version of these notes and assignment. I always want you to print off these printable versions and put them in a 3-ring binder. Those of you that were in my class last semester, just continue adding to your previous binder, and those of you who are new, get yourself a 3-ring binder, because I will be taking grades at some point in the semester on these notes. The other thing I want you to be checking every time you come into the course is go up to the top along this bar here and go in and check the grade book. It's going to allow you to know what you need to do next. All assignments need to be completed in order in the grade book. I don't want you skipping around. I want to talk a little bit about the symbols that you're going to see in the grade book and what they mean. Every Friday I will go in and put grades into the grade book. So if you do a computer graded assignment, it's automatically going to score your assignments. Right here I have an example of a 20 out of 20. On Friday I will go in and add the letter A. If you score a C or below on assignment, you need to plan on redoing it. You might as well redo it before I have to tell you to redo it. But if you don't get around to redoing it by Friday, you'll see after your score where it says redo. Please go in and get that redone. That's the next thing you should do. If you have not done your assignment by Friday, I will go in and put a 0 into the grade book, which will drop down your grade, and I will put a message that says due now. Those are the things you need to be looking for. It's going to prevent you from redoing assignments that you've already done. Pay attention to the grade book and what needs to be done next.